Good morning and Happy New Year. Welcome to News Center. I'm Ashley Mazuri. Let's get you informed. Now, we start with the COVID-19 situation in the country. On Monday, the country has recorded 3,297 new COVID-19 cases out of a sample size of 4,003. This is a positivity rate of 30.1%. That is, 10 new deaths have been reported from the disease, raising the death toll to 5,394, while 1,089 patients are admitted in various hospitals across the country. In terms of vaccinations, a total of 10.1 million vaccines have so far been administered across the country. 55.5% of adults have partially been vaccinated, while the proportion of those fully vaccinated is 15.5%. To security issues, Inspector General of Police has been urged to set up a police camp at Pura area in Samburu County to enhance security and facilitate people who are displaced following clashes between Pokot and Samburu communities to go back to their homes.